Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Maths with Adorolo. Thank you for all your support, your like, and your subscription. We have the next question on the board, which is 6 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x is equal to what? 11. In tackling this question quickly, very simple. The first thing you're going to do, we have what? 6 to the power of what? X. We are going to multiply the power by what? 2 over what? 2 minus 5 to the power of what? X. We multiply the power by what? 2 over what? 2 is equal to what? 11. The next step is this. We apply this law. We have a to the power of m to the power of what? M is the same thing as what? A to the power of what? M or to the power of what? N. It's in the same thing as what? A to the power of what? N or N what? M. So quickly in this place, we're going to write it in this format. First of all, we have the same thing as what? 2 multiply 1 over what? 2 minus 5 to the power of what? X. We also multiply 2 multiply 1 over 2 is equal to what? 11. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to apply this law. We're going to use this 1 over 2 to multiply this x. In this side again, we use this 1 over 2 to multiply this x. So that we have 6x over what? 2 all to the power of 2 minus 5x over what? 2. We are using half to multiply what? X. All to the power of 2 is equal to what? 11. The next step, we are going to apply what? Difference of what? 2 squared, which you will have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is equal to what? A minus a plus b, a minus what? B, or a plus a minus b, or a plus b, or a plus b, a minus b is called difference of 2 squared. So applying the knowledge here, we are going to have 6x over what? 2 plus 5x over what? 2. That is for positive. We deal with that of negative. X over what? 2 minus 5 to the power of what? X over what? 2 is equal to what? 11. 11 is an odd number. So I'm going to break that 11 as 1 times 11 or 11 times 1. So that we have 6 to the power of x over what? 2 plus 5 to the power of what? X over what? 2. We now have what? 6 to the power of x over 2 minus 5 to the power of what? X over what? 2 is equal to 1 multiplying 11. So that this first one will be equal to 1, the second one will be equal to 11. So that we have 6 to the power of x over 2 plus 5 to the power of what? X over what? 2 is equal to 1. While the next one will have 6 to the power of x over what? 2 minus 5 to the power of what? X over what? 2 is equal to what? 11. What we have now is simultaneous equation. This is equation 1. This equation 2. We'll solve it simultaneously. If you use plus to eliminate, it will go. If you use minus to eliminate, it will go. I want to use plus so that I'll eliminate this what? 5 raised to power 2 in both equation 1 and equation 2. So that this cancel this. So we'll add this plus this. We have 2 multiplying 6 to the power of x over 2 is equal to 1 plus 11 will give us what? 12. The next thing we're going to do, we'll divide both sides by what? 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. This cancel this. We have 6 to the power of x over 2 is equal to what? 6. The next thing we'll apply the base law of indices. We say that when the bases are the same, therefore the powers are equal in value. If I have a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of what? M. This will cancel this. Our n is equal to what? M. So this 6 into 6 to the power of 1. So that this will cancel this. We now have x over 2 is equal to 1. The next thing we'll solve for the value of what? X, which will multiply by the LCM. This is over 1. X times 1 is x. 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. This is our final what? Answer. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for your like. Ensure you share this channel. God bless you.